Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Another page kit we're getting worked on today. I'm trying to knock some of these out so I can create some new ones. Oh, I broke my nail. Well, that's fun for all. All right, so we're going to do some of these eclipse photos. I was at work. Them's the peeps I work with. We're a small portion of the organization, so we're at the warehouse. We're not at the production facility, although I go back and forth. So just gonna do that. We're gonna trim these down real quick. I figure why not. And this is I think this is a Vicki Boutin. I think it's Color Rush or Color Study or something. And then I'm just gonna double these up so we make them the same length. All right, because I'm gonna do doot. And then get this stuck on here. Like the first weekend, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna scrap all weekend. And my husband was like, have fun. And I was like, obviously. Nope, we got a lot of stuff getting ready to take place. Oh, all right, hold please. Let's just go ahead and trim. Trim a little bit more. Let's see if I can make that a little bit more even. Okay. I'm all ready for Halloween. Got my boo bracelet on. I got a whole bunch of them. Temu. All right. So we use some of this for last layout that I did, and we're gonna cut this branding strip off. I do like that paper, but we've got no use for that in our lives. Then we're gonna make this, but so I believe these did not come in the paper pad, because like I buy singles, I buy the paper pad. That's what I used to do. I am not doing that anymore in my life. So I'm trying to work through all of these, like I said in a couple of videos ago, maybe even last video. The amount of product that is building up under my desk is insane, but I'm focusing and making myself use this collection. So 3, 3. Let's do 2 and 2. So about right there. And then just slightly trim this off. I usually have no plan going into these, so that's always fun. But I'm trying to use some of these up so I can create some more. Put this right here. And this is going to be a lot of yellow. Let's see, you can use that and that. And then that's not. All right. Don't even know. Maybe not on these because it's kind of like the off color. So what do we have? Actually, fun fact, people are gonna freak out. I realize this, but I am gonna go ahead and grab this color. What? Yep, I don't remember when. There we go. And I always end with the little weird dash, heart dash. I don't know. It's my thing. So it just says Eclipse 2024, Sentience. The entire warehouse stepped out to watch the solar eclipse together. What fun. See, I always feel stupid, but it's fine. And then I think we'll just kind of pop it right there. And we will start some decoration. Let's go ahead and put like this girl, and then we'll point at this guy, because why not? I don't really know. Let's do a fave photo as our title. So we'll kind of just pop all of this fun little stuff in here. Okay. And this is a weird find to be under the palms, but we're going to go for that. A little current mood. We're just going to kind of come in and decorate that up a little bit. And those are sunglasses. We did have some food. We're always eating. One of my guys on the floor the other day was like, I'm never gonna lose weight working here, and we all laughed at him. Like, sorry, did you expect to lose weight? And let's see. What do we have around this fun area to kind of add in? Oh, we could do some of these. Yes, yes, yes. Like one of them there. We'll put one of them there, maybe. Maybe one up here. I did have tweezers. I swear that I did. They just fell way down into the pits of my container. I'm not really going for like, oh, don't upside down on that one. We'll put this one like here. I'm gonna use some liquid glue and kind of get these little guys stuck down. These are just some little cloth hearts, I believe. They came from Color Rush Studio. I'm not 100% sure. Okay. And that is it for those. Just have all these little Benny Bens just sitting around, kind of chillaxing. Whoa. But what if we pull them some of these little flower bits, again, just Stasharooski items. I'm grabbing all the that we can do one there and one here. And we'll put one here and here. Okay. And then let's come in. Whoa. Let's come in. Let's see if this silver will work. Does it work at all? Not loving it. I threw it away. I'm not trying to really... I mean, I don't even think you can see that. I'm going to finish it because I can see it. So it'll just look weird. All right, you guys, that is another layout done. So I do hope you enjoyed making this very quick, fun layout with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.